The iPhone 16 line has officially launched, and while many of you might think that the 16 Pro and the 16 Pro Max are like more exciting, but I think the 16 and the 16 Plus are two amazing upgrades. Of course, hear me out, and before you jump to conclusions, say that the iPhone 16 looks almost the same as the iPhone 15. The camera look has slightly changed and blah blah. Wait. Because in this video, let's take our closer look at the iPhone 16 and the 16 Plus, and I will also share my reasons why I think that the 16 and 16 Plus make the most sense in 2024 more than the 16 Pro and the 16 Pro Max. Hello everyone, I'm here for Fiiber by India Today, and now let's get started. So if I remove a couple of my complaints that why didn't the iPhone 16 get a 120Hz screen, or why isn't there a USB 3 port on the iPhone 16, of course, those two things would have made the iPhone 16 a complete package if, of course, Apple had given them on the iPhone 16. But still, for way less money, I think the iPhone 16 and the 16 Plus give much more value than what the Pro models offers. Of course, the Pro models do it much better, but at what cost? So here's the iPhone 16 in all its glory, and as always, new launch means new colors. So a blue, green and pink, a darker looking one from the 15 pink, joins the black and white colors. And of course, the most noticeable change here is the camera deco at the back, which is now in a single plane. And no, this is not just a design change, because apparently you can now shoot spatial videos and photos and directly view them on the Apple Vision Pro. Now, should you buy the Apple Vision Pro just to enjoy this new feature on the iPhone 16? That's a debatable topic. But coming back to the camera, of course, there's a new 48 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 12 megapixel selfie camera. So how is the photo and video quality? We'll only be able to tell you once we have tested the cameras. But when it comes to the absolute new feature, well, the standard iPhone 16 and the 16 Plus can now record 4K 60 FPS videos in Dolby Vision. So that is something totally new, and I can't wait to test it out. Alright, display sizes remain unchanged at 6.1 inches and 6.7 inches for the 16 and 16 Plus respectively. And as I said earlier, sadly no 120Hz, so that is a missing link again. But there is 2000 nits brightness, HDR video support is there, and in terms of protection, Apple says the ceramic shield up top is 50% stronger on the iPhone 16 than the last generation ceramic shield protection. Interestingly, the iPhone 16 also gets the action button, which we last saw in the 15 Pro series. But also interesting is the new camera control button, aka the capture button that we kept on seeing in leaks here and there. Looks interesting, a proper capacitive camera button, which we have seen in Nokia N series phones. Sony Xperia phones still have it. So being able to click a photo or a video with the help of a single click, with the help of a proper button. And the good thing is that the Pro models, the expensive phones, also have it, and the standard models also have it. So this, the camera control thingy, this is a solid addition. Apart from this, in true Apple fashion, battery capacity isn't revealed, but Apple says the battery is bigger, and coupled with the new 3nm A18 chip under the hood, Apple says that the battery life is going to be better than the outgoing iPhone 15. And speaking of the A18 chip, just like the 15 Pro models, the standard iPhone 16 and 16 Plus also support console level AAA games. Okay, charging speeds remain the same as last year, although with the help of the new MagSafe charger worth 4,500 or 5,500 rupees depending on the cable length, the iPhone 16 can take advantage of faster 25-watt wireless charging. Of course, older MagSafe chargers with the 15-watt wireless charging is still supported on the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. Finally, Apple Intelligence, which we all saw earlier this year at WWDC, is the star of the show on the iPhone 16 model. So cool AI features such as writing tools you are getting, creating images with prompts, creating summaries, and having a natural conversation with Siri, to name a few features, are all part of Apple Intelligence. And just like the Pro models, the standard iPhone 16 also get it. By the way, this also makes the iPhone 16 and the iPhone 16 Plus to be the most affordable iPhones available with AI features out of the box. And yes, this in a nutshell is the iPhone 16. The best part is that the prices remain the same as last year, that is 79,900 rupees for the 16 and 89,900 rupees for the 16 Plus. Of course, these are starting prices. Pre-orders start on 13th September at 5:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and the devices go on sale starting September 20th. Of course, we'll come with more in-depth coverage around the iPhone 16 models once we have them in the studio. But for now, what do you think about the iPhone 16? Let me know all your thoughts in the comments. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiiber. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.